I just got in the car. Nothing. Oh, it does vibrate when I press a button, but there's no screen. Is it blinking? Huh, how about that? Let's unplug it. I know the power's fine because another thing plugged into it is charging. So I'm just gonna go unplug it. Plugged it back in. Good, still not working. Still vibrating. Great. Guess I'm going, I need to flip it into roll mode to get off of my ramps right now. And it's not working. What the hell? Guys, the fuck is going on? Unplug, press buttons, maybe gotta kill the memory a little. There it is! Rebooted! I love how convenient my sexy knob is. So convenient. Alright, now I can get off my ramps. Whoa, a little too fast there, but we did it. That's what you can expect with your sexy shitty knob.